Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Villa Serene is a 4 bedroom, 4.5 bathroom villa. It is situated in Parottee, which is very close to Black River Town and Jamaica's south coast, nestled on a private beach. Privacy is guaranteed. This exquisite property spans approximately 6,000 square feet, sits on half acre, and has spacious accommodation on 2 floors, as well as a stunning pool and garden area, which leads to the ocean. The upper floor hosts the primary bedroom with ensuite bathroom and has a private balcony, which has a stunning ocean view. The ground floor has 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms, a guest bathroom, a spacious kitchen, dining area, and an expansive living room. Villa Serene is minutes away from Floyd's Pelican Bar, Black River Safari, and YS Falls. This is a perfect vacation home or a great investment for supplemental income based on buyer's vision. Call today for a viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US 1,340,000, Jamaican 211.4 million, Canadian 1.9 million, Euro 1.2 million, or £1,040,000. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.